everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this flower doily. For this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with the slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain right here to form a ring. We are going to work the next row in this ring. Now to start the next row, you chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this ring you need to work 2 treble crochets together. Now to do that, you yarn over twice, insert your hook in this ring, yarn over, pull through. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Do not complete your stitch. We are going to work 1 more treble. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 1 to complete your stitch. Now we work the first petal. Now you chain 3, and now in this ring you need to work 3 treble crochets together. That's your second petal. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and do not complete the stitch. You need to leave 2 loops on your hook. Again, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1 more, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the ring, pull up a loop. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you need to yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 1 to complete your petal. After you complete your petal, you chain 3. You work the next petal here, so that's 3 treble crochets together. One, 2 and 3. Again, chain 3. You work the next petal, that is 3 triple crochets together. It's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 to complete your stitch, chain 3, and you need to continue working your petals till you have a total of 8 petals. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch right on top of the first petal, right here. Now you work a slip stitch in the chain space. That is where we're going to start the next row. Now you chain 4. This will be counted as a first triple crochet of this row. Now in the same space you need to work 2 triple crochets. Yarn over twice, insert your hook into the space, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we are not working triple crochets together, so you're going to complete your stitches. 1 more triple crochet, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the space, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through last 2 loops. Now you chain 2. In the same space you work 3 triple crochets. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Now we are going to skip the petal. In the next chain space you work 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 3 triple crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Skip the petal. In the next chain space again 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 3 triple crochets in the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with the slip stitch into the first chain right here on top. Now for the next row, we are going to start the next row in this space before the stitch that we just made, right in this space between these 3 triple crochets and these 3. You just have a space here. It's not a chain space, just a space. So what you need to do is you need to work a slip stitch into that space. So insert your hook with this and just work a slip stitch into the space, so it will take you 1 space before your stitch. And now you chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. You skip the 3 stitches here. In the chain space you work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. After the double crochets you need to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to work the picot stitch. For that you need to work a slip stitch in the 4th chain. Do not count the one that's on your hook. You start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the 4th stitch you work a slip stitch and you will have a picot stitch. Now you chain 1 in the same chain space where you have your 3 double crochets. In the same chain space you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Now you chain 3. You need to skip the 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, and after that in the space, it's not a chain space, it's just a space after the 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, 3, right in the space you work a slip stitch. Now we're going to repeat this entire pattern again. We start with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the 3 triple crochets. In the chain space you work 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. Now for the picot stitch you chain 5, 3, 4, 5, work a slip stitch in the 4th chain, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, and now you need to work 3 double crochets in the same space, in the same chain space. 1, 2 and 3. Now you chain 3, skip 3 triple crochets, 1, 2 and 3, and right next to the space, next to the 3 triple crochets, in the space you work a slip stitch. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with the slip stitch into the first stitch that you started this row with. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now you need to work in your loose ends. We've completed working the flower doily. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.